Charit. Kingi.
What?
Okay, good morning students. Okay, we'll start with the student south. Close your legs. Take your right hand up. Start. I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo.
I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo.
I shall respect the instructors and seniors.
I shall respect the instructors and seniors.
I shall never misuse Taekwondo.
I shall never misuse Taekwondo.
I shall be the champion of freedom and justice.
I shall be the champion of freedom and justice.
I shall build a more peaceful world.
I shall build a more peaceful world.
Hands on. Tell 5 tenets. Courtesy,
Courtesy,
integrity,
integrity,
perseverance,
perseverance,
self-control,
self-control,
indomitable spirit.
indomitable spirit.
Jumbi. Okay, start with hand rotation. Reverse. Okay, swing your arms up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing your hands sidewards. Change. Okay, swing, stretch. Okay, we'll do some cardio exercise. Okay, start running. Ready? Start running. Run forward. About turn. Run to the last. About turn. Run to the last. Slow running. Now run with punch slowly. Again turn. Turn. Okay, now back running. Back running. Turn, back running. Okay, side running. Cross your hands. Cross your hands. Okay, now side crossing, side cross, front and back. Okay, turn, repeat, side crossing. Okay, now turn, run zigzag, run zigzag. Okay, zigzag. Look forward. Zigzag. Okay. Now you will turn back and do knee up. Ready? Start knee up. Yes. Knee up, knee up, knee up. Okay, turn, knee up. Okay. Now turn back. Heel. Start move. Heel. Okay, turn again. Okay, stop, come back. Okay, hold your hip rotation. Okay, put your both palms down, relax, breathe out. Okay, catch your left ankle. Catch your left ankle and touch your head to the knee. Change. Okay, spread your legs out. Okay, stretch forward. Stretch inwards. Okay, slowly get up. Put your palms down. 10 push-ups. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, up. Okay, lock your arms and stretch. legs out. Okay, students, today we'll practice with one step sparring. Number 5, number 6. Okay, one will be the attacker, one will be the defender. Okay, we'll show with both the sides. Surya, again,
One.
obey. Okay. First, he will attack with one step. Now 1, okay, measuring punch, slow measuring punch. 2, I shift towards my right side and I perform Apchagi, front kick. Okay, after that I perform turning high kick and a reverse middle punch. Okay, first front kick with left leg, turning kick with right leg and reverse middle punch. B. Now I'll be attacker, he'll be defender. Always take one arm distance. B. Start 1. Shift. 2. Front kick and high turning kick and the reverse middle punch. Middle punch. B. B. Once again, slowly. So 1, 2, shift, front kick, turning kick, reverse middle punch. B. Yes. Clear, students? Number 5. Now we'll do number 6th one. Okay. Chiraj. Engage.
One.
B. Again, one shoulder weight. Slow motion. Now. 1, 2, slow motion punch. Walking stance, shift your right leg and do a back fist high side strike to the temple. And reverse middle punch. Okay, reverse middle punch to the lower abdomen. Then shift your back leg in and do a turning high kick. You kick to the high level turning kick. Then big. Once again. Walking stance. Now 1, slow motion. 2, back fist high side strike. And middle punch, reverse middle punch. Pull your front leg in and high turning kick. Kick. Then finish. Jump. Big. Okay, done. Suryaj.
One.
Okay, student, next class will be teaching you the 7th and 8th one. Okay, all the best. Okay, we'll finish with push-ups. Okay, diamond push-ups. You cross your hand and finish with 10 push-ups. So put your palms down. Go back. Get your diamond shape. Ready? Close both the legs. 10 push-ups. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your chest should go down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, up. Very good. Swing your arms out. Swing your arms out. Okay, last one more. 5. We'll do 5 one-hand push-ups. Okay? Just free your legs. Stretch the shoulders. Stretch. Okay, one-hand push-ups. Ready? Get ready. Put your palms down. Okay, you have to spread both the legs a little bit wider. Lock your hands back. Lock your hands back. Ready? Start. 1. Good. Try your best. 2, 3, 4. Try your best. 5. Okay. Change your hands. Okay, very good, excellent. Perseverance is very important. Patience leads to virtue. One, good, try your best. Two, keep down. Three, bend your elbow. Four, five, slowly up. Relax, stretch your arms out. Stretch your arms out. Up. Side. Change. Go to your left side. Check your dresser. Done. Shiryat. Gi.
Take one.
Shiryat. Gi.
Take one.
All the best, students. Have a nice day.